Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Achal's Art Gallery. So my today's video is a DIY video, but it is little different from what I always do. In today's video I'm going to share my nail care idea with you people. So for this you need a bowl, any toothpaste, a toothbrush and a lemon. Take that empty bowl and squeeze little toothpaste in it. After that, take 4 to 5 drops of lemon and now mix it well using a toothbrush to form a paste like thing. Once you are done, start gently cleaning your nails with it, as lemon helps to clean nails and toothpaste helps to keep it white and strong. I'm doing it since last 2 years and I do it every twice a month. Once you are done, wash off the mixture carefully, and it is really very helpful. I would recommend to try it for few months. Now let it dry properly. In case you want to trim and file it, you can, because it is very important and it helps nails to grow, and you can give it any desired shape of your choice. In case you don't want to apply nail paint immediately, you can use Vaseline or any olive oil, coconut oil, and you can massage using it on your nails. And the best way to do is at night before you sleep. FYI, this cute little kitten box is one of my DIY and I made it using an old mobile box. So in case you like it and want to see how I made it, you can check it out. I'll be providing its link in my description box. So here I'm going to directly apply it, but before applying it, let your nails breathe for a few minutes and then only you should apply your nail paint. And always remember to apply a base coat before painting your nails. I always prefer using dark color nail polish for my nails because it really goes well with my skin tone, and also it makes my hand look more pretty. So it is totally up to you. Even you can go with bright colors if you want. So if you have already subscribed my channel, you must have seen that I have done a lot of DIY videos on art and craft, and this time I wanted to do something different. So this is the main purpose why I made this video, because I wanted to do another DIY video but on a different topic, and this is really an amazing idea. I'm sure you guys will love it. And always let your nails breathe. Here I'm using a transparent nail polish to last my color longer. It's an amazing DIY for people who are obsessed with clean nails. And that's all for my nail care routine. I hope it was helpful, and try to expose them less to nail polishes. And in case if you love using nail polishes like I do, so for that follow this routine, as it will help your nails to grow faster, smoother and stronger. It's like one of the best home remedy for your nails, because all the things which you require for it are already available at your home, and not everyone can go out for manicure, so it's like another plus point for this home remedy. So in case you find this video helpful, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.